Morning, folks. It's breakfast time. What we're going to have is some delicious cereal. We're going to take some of this delicious Raisin Bran Crunch right here, and we're going to put it in our bowl. Watch. You got it? I mean, that's not too hard, right? Right. Good, good, good. And now we got some leche, aka cow juice, aka milk. Straight from the cow's breasticle, ladies and gentlemen. Straight from it. And some of us, not all of us, but some of us put sugar on our cereal. I'm one of them. Just enough to give it a nice little happy, sugary taste on top of the bran and the raisins and the granolas that is in this here cereal, the Raisin Bran Crunch. That son makes you kind of happy in the morning time, doesn't he? He's happy to be awake, so you should be happy to be awake. All right, well, thanks a bunch for tuning into Breakfast Time with Robbie. See ya. Peace.